Hello LiDAR lovers, it's Philip Constantine here from Lightweight LiDAR, and I'm joined by Mo Hett, one of our LiDAR engineers. Hi Mo.
Hi Phil, how you doing?
Good, thank you. Today we're going to be taking a look at the initial steps as you receive your SF45 LiDAR. What are the initial steps that you need to effect to make this LiDAR work for you? So we're going to hand over to Mo and he'll take us step by step.
Welcome Lightweight viewers. Today we're going to get you started up with Lightweight Studio and the SF45. First thing you want to do is plug in the SF45 to your micro USB cable and then plug it into your computer. Once you plug it in, you will see the SF45 appear on the Lightweight Studio welcome screen. Please click on this. You will now be met with the welcome screen. Before you start anything else, please click on the register to receive firmware update notifications located on the top of your screen. On the welcome screen, you will see the SF45 as well as the serial number, the hardware revision, the firmware revision, and if you connect it through a serial cable to a FTDI converter, you will see the baud rate. Next thing we're going to cover is the upgrade tab. If you click on the upgrade tab, whenever there's a firmware update, you will see the firmware update that's available as well as the revision. And all you have to do is simply click on the installation button. Once you click on the install button, please wait for the process to finish. Once it's finished, you will receive a notification to click on OK and that your firmware has been successfully installed. Next, we're going to cover the scanning feature. Looking at the SF45, it is a scanning device that scans from an angle of -160 to 160 degrees. That gives you a total of 320 degrees field of view. In this, you can also change the scanning angles. You can change the update rate speed, the scanning speed, and the amount of points you want per scan. Using Lightweight Studio, you also got a compass feature, a heading feature, and a scanning angle. So it shows you exactly which scanning angle you have set up the device for. What's also nice about Lightweight Studio is it shows you the amount of points per second that's being scanned, the amount of active points that's being used, and the angle that the device is currently facing. So what we're going to do first is we're going to change the scanning angle to show you how this changes live on Lightweight Studio. So initially, when you plug it in, it'll be from -160 to 160. So let's change it, for instance, to 90 degrees to 90 degrees. So -190 to 90 degrees. The reason why I'm doing this is also for illustrative purposes. So we'll show you some nice targets coming into screen. So at the moment, this is just scanning in the front. You can also view the angle or the direction of the SF45. If you wish to switch this off, all you do is simply click on the following button. And now the device will just show you what it's scanning, but without the scanning direction. We have the compass feature. This shows you the direction of the scan. You can enable this by simply clicking on this following button, or activate it again to show you the general heading of the scan. You've also got the scan angle. This shows you your current angle selected and the limits of it. You've also got the option to update the speed. So the speed of the scan can be changed anything from 5 to 2000. This is the higher the number, the slower the scan speed. So that's on 10. If we increase the number again, you'll see that the scan frequency is reduced. But you can also see that your resolution increases. So I'm going to take this down back to 5 again. And next we're going to adjust the update rate. So we can start with an update rate of 50 points per second. As you can see, the points are a little bit sporadic. As we slowly increase, you get more points per second. This gives you a better resolution. the more points per second, as you can see, updates the amount you see on your screen, all the way up to 5,000. Again, for illustrative, I'm going to stop at 2,500, as I feel this is more than enough. Next, we're going to cover the parameters. As you saw on the scanning page, in the parameters, you can also update the points per second. You can have it scan on startup or not, but we prefer if you keep this on. The cycle delay, this is the speed of the scan that I was explaining earlier on. You've got, again, the lower limit that you can adjust, the high angle. And you can obviously, for your connection to other devices, you can change the serial output rate. And if you're connecting to the device via I2C, you can also change the I2C to the address you wish to change it to for your peripheral devices. So next, I will show you an obstacle moving in the field of view of the SF45. This will give you a representation of an object moving in front of the device. Please have a look at the screen and you will see me passing the 45. Thank you very much, folks. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on support@lightwearlidar.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.